Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Have you done your homework? Good. So let's start our online class. Are you ready? Very good. Students, our polynomial chapter is going on and our subtopic is LCM and HCF of algebraic expressions. Okay? Students, today I am going to teach you LCM and HCF of algebraic expression. LCM and HCF of algebraic expressions. Students, you know well full form of LCM and HCF. LCM is least common multiple and HCF is highest common factor. Okay? So let's start our first topic, LCM. We will understand with the help of examples. So look at the board. Example first, 4a square b square and c square. It is the first algebraic expression, and 6a square b square d. Okay. First algebraic expression is 4a square b square c square, and second is 6a square b square d. Okay, and find the LCM. Find the LCM. Okay, so we have to solve. Students, first algebraic expression denoted by ux. So ux equal to 4a square b square c square. Okay, and second algebraic expression denoted by Vx. So 6a square b square and d. Understood? Now we have to write in a factorization form these algebraic expressions. So first is ux 4a square b square c square. We have to write 4 in a square of 2. And a square as it is, b square as it is, and c square. Okay, and factorization form in second equation. So Vx equal to 6a square b square d. Okay, so we have to write 6 in 2 into 3. Okay, and a square into b square into d. अंडरस्टूड? स्टूडेंट्स, जो पहले एलसीएम और एचसीएफ पे रूल अप्लाई होते थे वही रूल्स इसमें अप्लाई होने हैं. बस फर्क इतना है, पहले हम नंबर्स के एलसीएम और एचसीएफ करते थे, अब हम अलजेब्रिक के एक्सप्रेशंस के कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो एलसीएम इज हाईएस्ट फैक्टर इज स्क्वायर ऑफ 2 and here only one time 2. So we get 2 square and 3. And here a square and a square. In both equations, square of a same. And second, square of b, so b, and square of c. Okay, square of c. And d as it is. Okay, product of these factor. So we get square of 2 4 and 4 3 ja 12 है. So 12 a square b square c square and d. It is a LCM of these algebraic expression. 12 a square b square c square d is a LCM of these algebraic expressions. Understood? For finding the LCM, let us take one more example. Example, x square minus 4x plus 3. It is a first algebraic expression. And second is x square minus 5x plus 6. X square minus 5x plus 6. Okay, these are two algebraic expressions. And find the LCM, least common multiple. Okay, so we have to solve. Students, these are quadratic equations. These are quadratic equations, and you know, first algebraic expression denoted by ux. So ux equal to x square minus 4x plus 3. Okay, and second denoted by vx. So x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay. So first of all, factorize these quadratic equation. So 3 1 ja 3. So factor of 3 is 3 and 1. Minus 3 and 1. So we have to write x square split minus 4x into 3x minus 1x plus 3. Minus 3x and minus 1. So we get minus 4x. Okay, and multiply these factors, minus 3 into minus 1. Minus 3 into minus 1, so we get 3. Okay. So what is the common both terms? X. So x, and remaining is x minus 3. Okay. And what is the common in both terms? Minus 1. Minus 1, because there is no any common term. So x minus 3. Understood? Now x minus 1 and x minus 3. There are two factors. There are two factors. Okay, and in a second equation, 6 1 ja 6. So factor of 6, 3 and 2. Minus 3 and minus 2. So product of these factor we get 6, and sum of these factors minus 3, minus 2, minus 5. Okay, so factor is minus 3 and minus 2. Okay, so we have to write x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. Okay, what is the common in both terms? X. And what is remaining? X minus 3. Remaining is x minus 3. Okay. And what is the common in both terms? Yes, tell me. Very good. 2. So minus 2. Okay. So x minus 3. X minus 3. So we have to write x minus 2 and x minus 3. Okay. These are two factor of quadratic equation, x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay. Now for LCM, x minus 1 and x minus 3, here x minus 2 and x minus 3. So x minus 3 is common. X minus 3 is a common. So we have to write here x minus 3 and x minus 1 and x minus 2. So x minus 1 and x minus 2. So students, x minus 3, x minus 1 and x minus 2, it is a LCM of these quadratic equations. These quadratic equation. Have you understood every step of this question? मैं फिर से बता रहा हूँ, ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन हमें गिवन थी, ठीक है, हमें एलसीएम फाइंड करना था। एलसीएम फाइंड करने के लिए क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन का क्या किया हमने? फैक्टराइज, जो हमने लास्ट क्लासेस में कर लिया था। सेकेंड इक्वेशन जो हम Vx से डिनोट करते हैं, उसका फैक्टराइज करने से हमें x माइनस 2 एंड x माइनस 3 मिला। अब हमें एलसीएम इसका बताना है, तो एलसीएम के लिए क्या करते हैं हम? जो हाईएस्ट एलसीएम के लिए क्या करते हैं? जो हाईएस्ट पावर का फैक्टर है, कॉमन फैक्टर है, पहले वो लेते हैं। सो x माइनस 3 और x माइनस 3 दोनों में है, तो x माइनस 3 लिया, एंड रिमेनिंग x माइनस 1 एंड x माइनस 2 जो दोनों में है वो भी हमने साथ में ले लिया। छोटी क्लासेस में जो नंबर्स का एलसीएम करते थे, रूल वही अप्लाई होना है और कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है। ओके, बस इसमें अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशंस का कर रहे हैं और वहां पे हम नंबर्स का कर रहे थे। ओके, students, our second point is HCF, highest common factor. Okay, so we will understand with the help of examples. So let us take an example. So First expression is 8a square b square c, and second algebraic expression is 18a b cube c square. Okay, 18a b cube c square. These are two algebraic expressions, and we have to find HCF, highest common factor. Okay, now we have to solve. First algebraic expression denoted by ux. So ux equal to 8a square b square c, and second expression denoted by vx. So 18a b cube c square. Okay, now first numeric value 8, and we have to write 2 cube. 2 cube, it means 8, and a square as it is, b square as it is, and c. Okay, and 18. So how to write 18? So prime factorization, 2 9 3 3s are 3 1. So 2 into square of 3, 2 into square of 3. Okay. Now a as it is, cube of b, and c square. Okay. Now HCF. HCF कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? रूल वही अप्लाई होने वाले हैं जो छोटी क्लासेस में हम आज तक करते आए हैं. ओके, सो फर्स्ट इज हियर क्यूब ऑफ 2 and here only 2. So only one time 2. Okay, and here a square and here a. So only one time a. Okay, जो कम पावर है वो लेनी है हमें. And next b square. Factor should be common in both equation. Here b square and here b cube. So we will take b square. Okay, multiply. Here c and here c square. So we will take only c. Okay. We can't take 3 square because 3 is not a common factor. 3 is not common factor. Okay. So product of these factor 2ab square c. 2ab square c. It is HCF of these algebraic expressions. It is HCF of these algebraic expressions. Have you understood? If ux and vx are two algebraic expressions, then relation between their LCM and HCF is LCM multiply HCF equal to product of these expressions. Look at the board. If ux and vx, these are two algebraic expressions. We denoted by first algebraic expressions ux and second is vx. Okay, and relation between their LCM and HCF is LCM multiply HCF of a given algebraic expression equal to product of these algebraic expressions. Product of these algebraic expressions. Okay. LCM into HCF equal to ux into vx. Understood? Thank you.